Have you ever entered a room and felt like a complete stranger to the creature you love most? You see those people whom cats follow like shadows, people who don't even have to say a word to be adored. You think they have a gift, but you are fundamentally mistaken. Adoration from a cat isn't a miracle, it's a biological code that most owners accidentally break every single morning. If you are still trying to show your love the human way, you might be unknowingly tearing up your survival contract. Today, I will reveal the 7 daily secrets of the humans cats actually adore. And the last one, it is the only reason your cat will finally decide that you and only you are their safe harbor for life. 1. They respect the scent handshake. Most people see a cat and immediately reach out to touch their head. You think it's affection, but for a cat, it's an invasion. Humans whom cats adore always offer a finger first, at eye level. They stay perfectly still. This is the biological code of the scent handshake. By waiting for the cat to rub their cheek against you, you aren't just petting them, you are allowing them to rewrite your identity into their world. You become a part of their safe territory. 2. They mirror the slow blink treaty. Have you ever caught your cat staring at you from across the room, only to see them slowly close their eyes? Most owners look away, but those whom cats adore understand this is a survival contract in action. A cat only closes its eyes when they trust their partner to watch their back. When you mirror that slow blink, you aren't just blinking, you are signing a treaty of mutual protection. You are telling them, I am your guardian and you are mine. 3. They honor the shadow bond. Do you feel rejected when your cat sits nearby but refuses to be touched? You are mistaken. This is the shadow bond, the highest form of feline intimacy. Humans whom cats adore don't chase for attention. They understand that passive presence is a gift. They let the cat exist in their orbit without the pressure of physical contact. In the feline world, proximity is the ultimate embrace. If you felt that invisible string pull tight between you and your companion today, subscribe to Feline Code. Help us spread the language of devotion to those who need it most. 4. They practice acoustic devotion. Adored humans don't just speak, they vibrate. When you use a soft, low, melodic tone, you are performing acoustic grooming. This frequency mirrors the purr of a mother cat, bypassing the cat's defenses and going straight to their heart. You aren't just talking to them, you are massaging their nervous system from a distance. 5. They are predictable harbors. Cats live in a world of sudden shadows and sharp noises. To be adored, you must become a predictable harbor. Humans whom cats love move with a calm, rhythmic grace. They never shout, they never surprise. They become the one constant in a chaotic world, a safe zone where the cat can finally lower their guardian protocol and rest. 6. They never betray the vulnerability trap. When your cat shows you their belly, they are handing you their life. Most people break the survival contract by grabbing it like a toy, but adored humans know the secret. A belly is a sign of trust, not a request for a massage. By simply acknowledging it with a soft look, you prove that their vulnerability will never be met with a trap. 7. The master secret: parallel presence. The ultimate secret? Adored humans know how to be alone together. They sit in the same room, working or reading, demanding nothing. This is the ultimate shadow bond. By giving up your need for control, you give the cat the safety to choose you. You aren't a predator seeking a pet. You are a partner sharing a silent soul. Your cat isn't looking for a master. They are looking for a mirror, someone who reflects their peace and respects their silence. When you stop acting like a human and start speaking the biological code of your companion, the wall between you disappears. Every slow blink and every quiet moment across the room is a gift. You aren't just an owner anymore. You are finally home.